Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet this beautiful square pattern tutorial. I am using a 3.5mm crochet hook for this project and a 3-ply cotton yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot and then with the help of crochet hook, start making chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. Now make a slip stitch into the first chain. Now for the first round, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Now we have 2 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. To make the corner, make 2 chains and make a double crochet stitch into the ring. Make 2 chains, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 again, then make 2 chains and make 2 double crochet stitches into the ring again. And after these 2 double crochet stitches, we would have a set of 2 double crochet stitches 4 times. Pull the starting yarn to close this little hole, make 2 chains for the last corner and then make a slip stitch into the third chain. Our first round is completed. Now we would start our second round. For the second round, make 3 chains again, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch in this round also. Then into the next double crochet stitch after chain 3, make a double crochet. After that we have chain 2 space for our corner and into this chain 2 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, then chain 2, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, then into the next double crochet stitch after chain 2, make a double crochet, make a double crochet into the second double crochet stitch also. After that we have chain 2 space for the second corner, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, then chain 2, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this chain 2 space, then make 2 double crochet stitches into the next 2 double crochet stitches. Again we have chain 2 space for the third corner, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, then chain 2, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this chain 2 space. Now into these last 2 double crochet stitches make 1 double crochet in each, and then we have our last corner, chain 2 space, make 2 double crochet stitches, then 2 chains and 2 double crochet stitches into this chain 2 space, then make a slip stitch into the third chain. Second round is also completed. For the third one, make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet in every round. Make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. After that, we would skip these 2 double crochet stitches. So here make 2 chains and skip these 2 double crochet stitches, and after that we have chain 2 space. So we would make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2, chain 1 and then chain 2, and again double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into this chain 2 space of corner. Now again we would make 2 chains and we would skip 2 double crochet stitches here, and we would start working into the third one. So make a double crochet stitch into the third double crochet, then make a double crochet into the fourth double crochet stitch also, and then make 2 chains and skip the next 2 double crochet stitches. Start working into the chain 2 space of the corner again. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, then chain 2 and double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the chain 2 space. Make 2 chains and skip 2 double crochet stitches. Make a double crochet into the third double crochet stitch, then make a double crochet into the fourth double crochet stitch also. So in this way repeat the process and complete this third round. So I have made all double crochet stitches of the third round. Make 2 chains and then make a slip stitch into the third chain, and our third round is also completed. To start the fourth one, we would repeat the second round process. So make 3 chains, make a double crochet into the very next double crochet stitch after chain 3. After that we have chain 2 space, and we would work 2 double crochet stitches into this chain 2 space, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Now into the next 2 double crochet stitches, make 1 double crochet in each, and after that we have chain 2 space. In this chain 2 space, make 2 double crochet stitches, then 2 chains and 2 double crochet stitches. Make 2 double crochet stitches in each of the next 2 stitches. After that we have chain 2 space. Make 2 double crochet stitches into this chain 2 space also, and in this way we would make double crochet in each of the double crochet stitch and 2 double crochet in chain 2 space, and we would complete our round. I have completed this solid round. Now we would repeat third round process. Make 2 chains, make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. After that make 2 chains and skip 2 double crochet stitches. Start working into the next one. Make a double crochet in it, then make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch also. Make 2 chains again, skip 2 double crochet stitches, and after that we have chain 2 space for the corner. In this corner make 2 double crochet stitches then 2 chains and 2 double crochet stitches, make 2 chains, skip 2 double crochet stitches, start working into the third one, make a double crochet in it, then make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch also, make 2 chains, skip 2 double crochet stitches, make a double crochet into the third one, then make a double crochet into the fourth stitch also. So in this way just repeat the process and complete this round also. So I have completed this fifth round. Now sixth round will be of double crochet stitches. So make 3 chains, make a double crochet into the very next double crochet stitch. After that we have chain 2 space, make 2 double crochet stitches in it, 1, 2, make a double crochet into the very next double crochet stitch after chain 2, then into the next one make a double crochet, make 2 double crochet stitch into the next chain 2 space, then make 2 double crochets in the next 2 double crochet stitches, we have chain 2 space here for the corner, make 2 double crochet stitches, chain 2 and 2 double crochet stitches in it, repeat the process of making double crochets in each double crochet and chain 2 space. Complete this round. I have completed this round. Now in the last I would make a single crochet, edging, make chain 1, make a single crochet into the chain 3, then make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch, then into the next one, and in this way we would make single crochet in each of the next double crochet stitches. I have made all single crochets in these stitches. Now here is our chain 2 space for the corner, make single crochet 1, then single crochet 2 and single crochet 3 into it. We would make 3 single crochet stitches into the corner, then make a single crochet into the next single crochet stitch and repeat the process of making single crochet in each and every double crochet stitch, and in each chain 2 space of corner make 3 single crochet stitches and complete this single crochet border. I have completed this single crochet border. Pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now we would use a tapestry needle to weave this yarn end at the back side of our work. So pull the needle through some stitches of back side and then we would make a knot like this way. This is just to secure our work. Stitches would not get loose, making a knot this way. And now pull this needle through some single crochet stitches of the back side and then pull the yarn, cut these extra yarn strands and our pattern is ready. I hope you like this tutorial video. So if you like it, give it big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Take care. Bye.